Roasted Parmesan cauliflower. Let's get into it. Obviously, we're going to take some of this cauliflower and we're going to dip it into a mixed egg, and then I put it into the breading mixture, which is actually made of almond flour, Italian seasoning, and I shredded some Parmesan cheese in there. And you'll just do this, fill up the whole tray, get everything nice and coated. Take your time with it. Eventually, we're going to pop these into the oven for about 450 degrees or 500, depending on your oven. And the trick is you're going to want them to start browning and get very crunchy. And they are very nice. And at this point, when I'm done, I start to grate some more Parmesan cheese on top of it. And that'll make a nice crust. And then what I ended up doing is pulling it out when it's browned, and then I put some mozzarella cheese on it and put it back in under the broiler until it's finished, and it comes out pretty much exactly as you're about to see right here. Bon appetit.